This one is a chicken Paillard filled with great fall flavor. I start with the boneless, skinless chicken breast. I put my hand on top, very sharp knife. You open it like a book. You butterfly the chicken breast open like this. And when you use a meat mallet, it's not like come home and take out all your aggression on the chicken breast. It's drop and pull towards you or drop and push away from you in even strokes. I've got a giant skillet, nice and hot, and just olive oil. We're going to brown our Paillards on both sides and take them out. Into the pan, we added butter. Let the butter melt. When the butter foams, that's when you add your shallots, 2 large shallots and a couple of fat cloves of garlic. Season it with salt and pepper. Now we're going to make a little roux by adding a sprinkle of flour to our melted butter and cooked shallots and garlic. It should be about even, the amount of foaming, bubbly butter to the fat, in this case, melted butter and flour in about equal amounts. Whenever we are adding spirits, like I'm adding Calvados or apple brandy, we remove the pan from the heat. The pan can flame up, and that's fine. What you don't want is to ignite the bottle of liquor, okay? That's why we take it off of the flame and then put it back on. And then if the pan flames, it's no big deal, but don't have your head above it. We are going to thicken up a little bit of chicken stock for our pan gravy. And then we're going to give it some thickness and richness with a fat spoonful of apple butter. I know. And a little splash of Worcestershire. Instead of that gravy stuff that stains gravies, I just add a little splash of Worcestershire. Pour this over top of the chicken. When we come back, we'll top it with the salad. I'm dressing some baby arugula here with lemon and a little bit of olive oil. Arugula is very spicy. It doesn't need pepper, just a pinch of salt. These are our greens. We arrange the greens over our apple butter and apple brandy sauced chicken Paillard. We top those with fresh quartered fig. We top that with crumbled smoked blue cheese. I know. And then I put on a handful of toasted, chopped hazelnuts. I know, right? Not bad for less than 30 minutes. Boom! Done!